Okay, so you can see the next part I wanted to start on is to join this piece of wire to my next section of wire. So I need to make a brace just past it. So I'm going to start a brace right there. Okay, so I'm going to start off first by creating my little loop. Okay, and I want it to be about that long. So I cut it right about there. And I don't know if you can see that or not because of the light, but basically there's my okay, so I'm going to connect this about right there and crimp it down. Okay, so I'm going to connect this about right there, so I'm going to crimp it down. Alright. And then I'm going to hold it there with my trusty clothespin, and then I'm going to solder it to the rib. Okay, so that looks good so far. I'm going to solder that brace on. And of course, the reason why I solder the brace on just past the joint is because I want to have something that the next rail will have, the next wire will be able to support against. If I don't, then I'm going to have, you know, it's going to be real clumsy trying to hold that wire in mid-air while I try to solder it onto the next, you know, to this little join right there. So that's why I have this little brace with just on one side soldered, so that I can brace it right there, and then it'll be a whole lot easier to try to build that joint.